how to allow the unknown sources on Android. That's what I'm going to show you in this video. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. So in order to do that, all you need to access your settings, and within the settings, while the settings may be different if you're using a different phone. I am using a Huawei phone, and if you're using a different Android version, the setting might be at a different location, but you need to look for the security and privacy, and I am going to click that. And within the security and privacy, I will go down and click more settings, and over here, as you can see, that there is an option here, download apps from external sources. Again, I would say that if you are using a different mobile, over here there might be written allow unknown sources. However, you just need to go and it will give you a caution that using apps from unknown sources will leave your device and personal data more vulnerable to the security threats. So if you're sure about the location from where you are installing, you can just click OK and ignore the warning, and this will enable you to install the apps from the external sources. While clicking this install apps from external sources, you can individually enable or disable the apps from where you can install these unknown sources. Like with right now my Chrome app is not allowed, but by clicking this toggle switch, allow myself to install these apps through the Chrome. So that's how you can allow the unknown sources on your Android. Unable to find out this option, you can simply come and here and search for sources, and you will get all the options. So this is how you would be able to install the unknown apps on your Android. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.